Hey YouTube, this is a little video I thought I'd throw together. It's about sweet sound of glass crunching, because this glass is broken, as you can tell, and
A compact glass can.
so we're gonna see what it does.
Sweet sound of glass breaking. By the way,
It's a trash bag.
by the way, it's 11:37. So we're kind of bored.
Yeah, so thought we'd do a video.
You ready? This camera here. Oh.
How long does this thing go on?
About 5 minutes, then we'll have to actually redo it.
Alright, let's see.
Let's take a look.
Ugh,
Oh God.
it's pretty.
Oh God.
That's just beautiful. There,
That's beautiful.
don't do that. You'll get cut. That's very, very cool. Alright, thanks for watching.
Bye.